South Carolina's been without a state budget for 20 days now, and that delay could put some important programs at risk.
Yeah, state agencies were expecting new funding to help cover rising costs for programs like SNAP and Medicaid. But without a budget, that money cannot be spent. News 19's Josie Frost, though, is at the State House getting some answers.
This year's state budget included millions of dollars to help certain agencies keep up with changing requirements at the federal level for some programs. But without a state budget, all that money's on hold. Starting in October, states will have to cover more of the cost of SNAP because of changes in the One Big Beautiful Bill Act that passed last year. The House's budget set aside around $34 million for the agency to keep up with those changing requirements. But if the budget does not pass, that money never goes out. In a statement to News 19, the department said, quote, "If the state government does not provide the state administrative matching funds in its entirety, the SNAP program may end in South Carolina." The Department of Health and Human Services, which administers the state's Medicaid program, was set to get over $100 million in new funding this year. Without any of that new money going out, the agency did not say that it was looking at cuts. An agency spokesperson instead said they're looking at using reserve funds and other cost-saving measures. Last week, Senator Tom Davis said they might be able to move money around for those matching requests if no budget is finalized.
The existing appropriations carrying forward from last year, there's enough money going to agencies to meet federal match requirements, whether you're talking about SNAP, whether you're talking about Medicaid. Those dollars that are being appropriated to those agencies are fungible, and they can be moved to those areas where matches are required.
The conference committee that is working to finalize the budget will meet again on Tuesday. But if they cut a deal, the House and Senate will still have to come back to pass that bill before it can be sent to the governor's desk. Reporting at the State House, Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.